Hey there folks, I am out walking my dog and I thought I'd just do a quick video on probably one of the biggest mistakes that I see trainers make. And I'm just sort of hot off the topic, hot off the press, so to speak, in regards to, I've just delivered a workshop today. I've had a lot of fun and it was all about delivery skills and essentially how to deliver powerfully, right? Now, the thing is, I had a group of 8 students, probably maybe even 12 when we all counted everyone up there, right? But the biggest comment that people said is the biggest thing they got from today's workshop was, wait for it, structure, 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 structure. So I'm just hanging out with my dog here, walking my dog. And essentially, a lot of the comments, at least 2 people said, there is no way I could have delivered a session, meaning them, and I was so petrified of public speaking, but because I had a structure, I was able to do it and do it confidently and really connect with my learners and my group that I had. And I thought that was quite profound. And at the end of the day, there are at least 17 structures for delivering a presentation and running workshops. The challenge is, though, I have to confess, when I first got into the world of training and presenting and even the trainer qualification, I didn't learn any structures at all. And it was only after I completed my train the trainer and I went on and I did probably about 9.5 other public speaking courses, I learned the power of structure. You see, the thing is, there is a roadmap to follow for an individual session. There is a roadmap to follow for a group delivery session for a workshop. There is a roadmap to follow for establishing credibility. There is a roadmap to follow for creating instant influence. There is a roadmap, like there are 17 roadmaps, as I said. And unfortunately, though, most of the time when we learn the train the trainer or learn any kind of delivery workshop, we don't actually, most people, learn great quality structures. And that's unusual, right? If you were going to cooking school, you'd probably want to learn the recipes on how to actually cook a dish, right? And training and presenting, it's exactly the same, right? There is a number of structures. You pick the structure that you want for your purpose and you follow the structure, right? It makes scientific sense, so to speak, right? And ultimately, though, many times we just don't get taught the structures, which is unusual, right? When a president or prime minister delivers a presentation, they're following a structure, right? When somebody is up on stage in front of 200 people like Anthony Robbins, he's following a structure, folks. And I can literally, based on all the experience I've got and all the courses I've been to, I know the 17 structures and I can tell you exactly what structure somebody is following at a period of time because I've been exposed to it, right? So I just wanted to share that if you are a public speaker, start to look at structures. If you are a workshop facilitator, start to look at structures. Do you have one? Do you not? Should you? What are you following? Or are you just speaking randomly? So in July, I'm actually running my advanced facilitation workshop where we will actually be going through the top 6 structures that you can use when delivering a presentation. And it's really exciting because once you've got the structure, you just plug and play and you are good to go, right? So I just wanted to do this video and let you know that if you're a public speaker that's a little bit underconfident, so to speak, one of the things you actually may be missing is a great structure. When you got the great structure, you're good to go and your confidence kind of takes care of itself because you know you can look back at your recipe and go, okay, right now I'm at this point and I know that this point is going to be successful because of the magical structure. All right. And we just essentially, a structure is the foundations and the pillars to hold up your message, so to speak. Anyway, folks, hope you got some value. If you want to find out about the training I'm running in July, drop a message or send me an email. Mark Miles, M-A-R-C, Miles2010@gmail.com. That's where you'll find me, folks. Mark Miles2010@gmail.com. Or drop a comment below and I'll help you out with that as well. On that note, folks, hope you got some value from the video. All about structure. Do you know the structure? Are you following a structure? What structure are you looking at? Or are you just rambling? On that note, folks, see you on the next one. Bye.